Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Stock Price Predictions. We have a special guest on here today. We have my little buddy Jaden. He's 2 months old. Now we're going to start him investing at a young age, like right now, so that he'll be set for life, like what we're trying to do. But let's start at a young age, ain't that right, Jaden? All right, so what are we going to choose to invest for you? Well, Daddy's going to start putting your money into Ethereum. That's one of them. Yes, because I believe Ethereum's going to grow, and by the time Jaden needs that money, Ethereum's going to pay off big time. All right, now, does that sound good to you, Jaden? Yeah, that sounds real good. Let's get that money and let's watch it grow. All right, welcome back, guys. Oh, let's talk about what's going on in the market. Boy, oh boy, do we have some interesting things going on. We have earnings season here. Big tech reporting earnings. Ooh, and it's been a disaster. Facebook, Meta, down to lows since we haven't seen since 2013. All the Meta investors, wow, sure did wipe us all out, didn't it? But luckily, Daddy sold his at the beginning of the year when it went down the first time in earnings. But boy, oh boy, did we really think that Meta was going to go down that much. Meta may be the new MySpace. We'll see. Users are down. It's turning into a ghost town. So let's see what's going to happen. Ain't that right, Jaden? Yeah. You guys are all moving to TikTok and Snapchat. Y'all are putting Facebook out of business. All the new kids. Oh, users in Facebook. I hope you guys were okay if you are holding Facebook, because it's down big time. Now, let's talk about today's earnings. We have Amazon. Boy, oh boy, is it in an earnings recession. Isn't that right, Jaden? Yes, it is. Amazon is in an earnings recession along with a lot of the stocks going on. Amazon is down to March 2020 lows. Boy, oh boy, those are big. That's wiped out a lot of gains ever since the COVID pandemic. Amazon in the market has been on such a bull rally. But now, wow, we're wiping out all of our gains. That's not good, is it? That's not good. But your Ethereum's going to pay off, huh? But yeah, Amazon, woo, bad numbers. Bad numbers. So we have Amazon and Meta taking big losses. Apple's earnings came out. They were pretty good. They weren't horrible. But as last I checked 5 minutes ago, they were down 5%. So good or not, the market is just driving down these companies. Apple did great for the times we are in. You know, we're technically in a recession. We've been in a recession for about 6 months now. 2 quarters of negative GDP in a row. We are in a recession. Apple did good. So with the market going down and earnings recessions for big tech and all the big companies getting earning recessions, the Fed did mention last Friday, talking about a pause in the federal fundraise. You hear that, Jaden? Yay, that'll be good. Because Fed pauses interest rates or slows down. Guess what that means? We get to have a rally in the market to get some of our money back. But let's not get our hopes up too high. But if he does do that, we can see a rally in the market. We can flip this bear market into somewhat of a bull market, and we can get some of our coins back. Yay, that'll be good. So let's hope that happens. Now let's get into the interest rates in the housing. Boy, oh boy, he doesn't want to keep raising the Fed fund rate. We're already at over 7% in a 30-year mortgage. Oh, that's too high. Did you guys hear that? Yeah, that's too high. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so we can't, the economy cannot go up higher with those interest rates. They are lagging. They lag. The housing market's going to lag as the Federal Reserve raises these rates. It takes a while for the economy to feel the effect. The market always gets hit first, and the housing market lags and falls behind. So let's see what happens with that. He's got to pause because these interest rates are too high. Let's wait and see what happens. You like this video, Jaden? Yeah, it's a good video. It's a good video with Daddy. Yeah. He's ready to go fishing back there in that lake. Gotta get a little older. All right, guys, I hope you like this video, stock price predictions. Please hit that subscribe button, and we'll be back later with another video. Say bye, Jaden. Oh, are you getting hungry? You just ate. All right, see you guys on the next one. Hit that subscribe button.